of the day on behalf of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. This is Santoshi Singh presenting the headlines of this week. The President of India inaugurated 8 India Water Week at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Vice President interacted with the Paryavaran Scouts and Guides at Swachhta related activities. Regional level vocal for local training conducted at Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Global hand washing program conducted at MP and Uttar Pradesh. NHQ conducted Poshan Ma webinar and series of activities. Hindi Divas was celebrated at Pan India level. Members of East Central Railway participated in Vande Bharat inauguration ceremony. Barakpur district of Eastern Railway, the Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed essential items to flood affected members at Malda. Jharkhand state conducted Titya Sopan camp at Lohar Daga. Kerala state contributed rupees 7 lakh to Vineyard Relief Fund. Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand and KVS conducted Rajya Puruskar testing camps. Members of Bundi district of Rajasthan participated in mock drill program of Indian Railways. West Central State conducted State Council meeting on 17th of September 2024. Moving ahead with the news in brief of this week. Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the 8 India Water Week at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi on 17th of September 2024, in which 5 climate leaders from Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Southeastern Railway of the Bharat Scouts and Guides actively participated under the leadership of Ms. Darsana Pavaskar, Director of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director, also attended the inauguration ceremony. The Bharat Scouts and Guides climate leaders learned about water management from experts and explored innovative solutions to the water crisis. Honorable Vice President Shri Jagdeep Dhankar visited an exhibition highlighting Swachhta related initiatives undertaken by various government departments at the premises of Paramveer Piru Singh Government Senior Secondary School in Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan State on 17th of September 2024. Vice President interacted with the Paryavaran Scouts and Guides. The regional level vocal for local training program for the northern region began on September 17, 2024 at the district training center in Mathura, North Central Railway, led by Ms. Shivangi Saxena, Assistant Director, Award and Competition. The program includes 32 scout guides, rovers and rangers along with 15 service team members and 10 state headquarters staffs and 7 staff members assisting the course. On September 17, 2024, Vikash Kant Parsia organized a cleanliness initiative at CM Rai School guided by Mrs. Mamta Patel. The guides and students took an oath to uphold cleanliness and demonstrated the 6 steps of hand washing with participation from local officials and schools. The Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh organized a Save Water campaign from 15th to 17th of September 2024. The event saw the participation of 250 scout guide rovers and rangers along with the other district officials. In Agar Malwa district from September 17 to October 2, 2024, the Swachh Bharat mission will promote cleanliness awareness in rural and urban areas guided by Collector Shri Raghavendra Singh and District Panchayat CEO Mrs. Harsimran Preet Kaur. Members took a cleanliness oath and participated in an educational poster exhibition. The Bharat Scouts and Guides launched the Rashtriya Poshan Ma orientation program on September 12, 2024 with around 235 participants attending the webinar. Dr. Suresh Parmar, Nutrition Officer at UNICEF, led the session, joined by Ms. Monica Maurya and Dr. Himani Yadav from the National Health Mission, MP. Various activities including Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, quizzes, rallies, food plazas, drawing, street plays and video creation will take place across the country. Amrit Prabha Ranger team of Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamrup Assam and Boko Music and Art School organized poster making competition among the pupils of Boko area at Turukpara LP School campus on 14th of September 2024. They distributed children books to promote reading habits and spend quality time for better future. On September 2024, members of Chhattisgarh State participated in the Swachhta Abhiyan and Marathon at Marine Drive, Telibandha Complex in Raipur. The event was launched under the hospitality of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Vishnudev Sai and presided over the Honorable Shri Arun Sao. Special guests included Shri Vijay Sharma, Anuj Sarma, Motilal Sahu and Purandar Mishra. Members of the Danapur district of East Central Railway participated in program of the newly inaugurated Vande Bharat Express train by Honorable Prime Minister of India on 15th of September 2024 at Patna Junction, Kiul and Nawada State. In collaboration with the Danapur District Association of East Central Railway State and the Women Welfare Association of Danapur, a divisional level essay competition was organized on September 15, 2024 at Railway School Danapur. On date 14 September 2024, Central District Association East Coast Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated Hindi Divas at SHQ Bancheshwar. The ceremony was led by DOCs and DTCs and district officials. The event was organized by Shubhashri Raut, Guide Captain, and Kalpana Bishwal, Flock Leader. On September 14, 2024, members of the Barakpur group of Eastern Railway, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, gathered to pack essentials for the Bhutni flood relief camp. They carefully prepared 100 relief packets containing items such as muri, chire, biscuits, jaggery, 200 grams per packet, ORS, 1 liter water bottles and sanitary napkins along with 7 bags of cloths including saris. After reaching the flood affected area on the 15th, the members distributed the materials in Bhutni, Malda to those impacted by the floods. On September 14, 2024, Scouts and Guides of Krishna School in Bachon, Rajkot, Gujarat celebrated Hindi Divas. The event included speeches highlighting the importance of Hindi. The school principals, scout masters and district officials were also present in the program. The Hindi language festival was organized in the premises of Hindu Vidyapit, Sonipat, Haryana under the guidance of Guide Captain Mrs. Archana Bhauria. DOC guides, slogan writing, poetry recitation and quiz programs were conducted. Jharkhand State organized the Titiya Sopan testing camp at UC Convent High School, Lohardaga, Jharkhand from September 9 to 13, 2024. In the closing ceremony, Dr. Rameshwar Orao, Minister of Finance, Food and Supply Minister, Jharkhand government was the chief guest. He emphasized the crucial role of Scouts and Guides in nation building and praised the services done by the Scouts and Guides. Members of Chikkaballapur District Association of Karnataka State participated in a large human chain program in Chikkaballapur on September 15, 2024 in celebration of International Democracy Day. Thirurangadi District Association of Kerala State contributed 7,32,000 to the Vineyard Relief Fund. The amount collected from Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders in Thirurangadi Education District was handed over to Malappuram District Collector. Rajya Puraskar Testing Camp 2024 for Hyderabad Division was conducted at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Begumpet, Secunderabad from 22nd of August to 2nd of September 2024 under the leadership of Sri Gora Bhuvan LT Scout KVS with Sri Jagannath P. Chennai Division as Chief Examiner. International Literacy Day of 2024 was celebrated by Scout and Guide of Kendriya Vidyalaya, PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Bhopal AFS Salwa, number 3 Bad Mathura, Gold Market, Delhi, Sylhet, Longowal, number 1, Gurugram, Pithoragarh, Loha Ghat, and other KVS on 8 September 2024. Hindi Divas was organized in various states. In Kendriya Vidyalaya, Sursunti, importance of Hindi was briefed by the teachers. Members took part in various programs like poster making, quiz competitions, etc. Scouts and Guides of Bhatt High School and Junior College, Parel, Mumbai of CGEES High School, Mumbai celebrated Hindi Divas on 14th of September 2024. Mrs. Meera Sarode of CGES School addressed the children and explained the importance of Hindi language. Members of Orissa State conducted a tree plantation drive on the occasion of the International Day of Peace on theme Cultivating a Culture of Peace. Hindi Divas was celebrated in Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Adarsh Nagar, Jaladhanra and Dev Samaj College for Women, Firozpur. HOD Madam Anju Nanda of Dev College presented her views on Hindi and said that the Hindi is not our identity but the identity of the country. Kota Division of Indian Railway organized mock drill program at Bundi Railway Station, Rajasthan on 14th of September 2024. Members of Bundi District Association of Rajasthan State, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, reported at the spot under the leadership of rover leaders Mr. Lokesh Saini and provided the services. NDRF, SDRF, Civil Defence Forces also provided their valuable services. The members of the Hyderabad District of South Central Railway actively participated in a pledge-taking ceremony. The ceremony administered by Sri Arun Kumar Jain, General Manager of the South Central Railway and patron South Central Railway, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, was followed by a walkathon and a tree plantation program at the Railway Sports Complex, Secunderabad on 17th of September 2024. Bharati Scout Group and Rani Velu Nachiyar Guide Group of Tambaram Central District of Southern Railway State organized a Swachhta Hi Seva 2024 campaign on 17th of September 2024. Members demonstrated MIME show and took part, which is the mime show, and took part in pledge. Salem Urban District of Tamil Nadu State conducted Rajya Puraskar testing camp for the Scout, Guides and Rovers from 12th to 14th of September 2024 at DTC Sankar Park. 92 Scouts, 119 Guides and 37 Rovers attended the camp. Mr. A. Palanisamy, LD Scout, Mrs. Malarvizi, ALT Guide, Mrs. Bhavani Bai, LT Guide were the chiefs for the guides and Mr. Krishnamurthy, LT Rover were the chief examiners. Maharishi district of Tamil Nadu state conducted basic course for Bunny aunties from 12th of September to 14th of September 2024 at the Tree MVM Preschool, Kilapuk, Chennai with 29 participants. It was organized by Mr. Purnachandran, District Secretary. Ms. A. Vijaya, DTC Guide, was the LOC and it was assisted by Ms. S. Vijaya Lakshmi. Tindivanam District, Tamil Nadu State, Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted the Titya Sopan camp from 13th to 15th of September 2024 at St. Anna's High School, Tindivanam. Mr. M. Kalaimani and Mrs. Vijaya were the leaders of the course for the respective sections. Under the guidance of Dr. Kamal Kaushik, District Chief Commissioner of Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, the members dedicated the services for Lord Shri Krishna Janmashtami, helped in crowd management and offered additional support to the administration and get appreciation by one and all. Uttarakhand State conducted a governor testing camps at Government Inter-School, Jakholi, Rudraprayag District from September 12 to 16, 2024. A total of 95 scouts and 55 guides participated. District Chief Commissioner and DEO Shri Parmendra Singh Bist, along with the principal, Srimati Amita Negi, and other state officials were present. On 15th of September 2024, 16 scouts and guides participated in cleanliness drive on the Foundation Day celebration of Champawat district. On 17th of September 2024, the State Council meeting of West Central Railway was held at the Manan Conference Hall in the GM office, Jabalpur. The meeting was presided over by President and Additional General Manager Shri R.S. Saxena, State Chief Commissioner and SDGM Shri Neeraj Kumar, and other office bearers, officials and senior leaders were present. Moving ahead with the new circulars issued by the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Circular number 168 states National Youth Adventure Program at Kedarnath, Uttarakhand. Circular number 169 National Level Disaster Preparedness and Management Training on Accident, First Aid and Rescue for Rovers and Rangers. Circular number 170 Celebration of 7th Rashtriya Poshan Ma 2024. Circular number 172 26th International Adventure Program Come Adventure Mela. Circular number 174 National Youth Adventure Program at Morni Hills, Panchkula, Haryana. Circular number 175 National Level Trekking Environmental Awareness Program at Mussoorie, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Circular number 176, Celebration of International Day of Girl Child 2024, Celebration of National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is stated in the circular number 177. Circular number 178, that is Virtual Observation of the International Day of Peace, which is also called as IDP 2024 in national level. For more news, please visit the Bharat Scouts and Guides website, which is the bsgindia.org. Stay tuned with us through YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow the Instagram and Facebook page of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Thank you and have a nice day.